I guess this is base camp then, because we just blew a tire.
Oh.
All right, I got a plan. I'll stay here, you will get help.
I didn't bring my walking shoes.
I want to ride the dirt bike. If you could just walk, I need to ride the dirt bike.
You need to ride the dirt bike. Why don't you ride the dirt bike and get
I
help?
want to ride for fun. Okay, actually, I'm running out of time, and I came here specifically to have fun. So if you can go get help, I promise I will work. I won't goof off and have fun.
Cody, the nearest town's 23 miles
I
away.
know, I won't goof off, have fun, and... You can get one of these made at Madman Mechanics, by the way. Look at this beautiful wrap.